Hello बच्चों, let's do the question number 2 of exercise 2.5. And in this question also, what has been asked in this question, that evaluate the following product without multiplying directly. That means you have to find the product of these two numbers, but you don't have to multiply these two. That means you cannot multiply this by direct method that we used 103 into 107. You can't apply this method. That means you have to solve this product, or you have to find the product by the use of identity. Okay, here again we can use the identity that we have used in question number 1. What was that identity? Identity was x square, x plus a into x plus b is equal to what? X square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Okay, so can I write this in a way where the x or okay, let me write this 103 as 100 plus 3. Can I write this? I am writing 103 as a 103 so that I can use identity here. Okay, so and I can again write here 100 plus 7. I can write the 107 as 100 plus 7. Can you recall the identity that can be used here? Here you can see that yes, here this first term is same and this second terms are different. That means yes, we have studied about such identity. Yes, we know such identity where this term is same and these two terms are different. Yes, so what was that identity? That was, therefore, by using which identity? By using x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Okay, now just do the comparison. In place of x, what is there? There is 100. Okay, so I will write what? So I will write here, just do the comparison. In place of x, what is there? Here is x is equal to 100 and a is equal to, in place of a, what is there? There is 3 and b is equal to what? 7. Okay, so just put these values here, and now what will happen? In place of x there is 100, in place of a there is 3. Okay, and in place of b there is x there is 100 and in place of b there is 7. So x square, that means 100 square plus a was 3. Okay, 3 plus 7, b is 7, multiply by x is 100. Okay, plus a is 3 into b is 7. So I'll get what? I'll get 10,000. Okay, plus, because 100 into 100, 2 zeros will turn into 4 zeros. Okay, 100 into 100 will be 10,000. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 into 100 will be what? 1,000. And plus 3 sevens are 21. Now just add these. Okay, 1 plus 0. 0 plus 0 plus 1, it will remain as 1. 0 plus 0 plus 2, it will remain as 2. Okay, now third 0. Okay, 0 plus 0 plus 0. Okay, 0 plus 0, you will get 0. Okay, and what you are left with? 0 plus 0. It is simple, it is very simple, that 10,000 10,000 plus 1,000, it is 11,000 and 21. So how you will write this? As 11,021. 11,021. Okay, so this is the answer. Absolutely simple. Now let us try to find out this. How can I write this? There are two ways. Okay, you can also write this as 90 plus 5 and 90 plus 6, but then to find out the square root of 90 will be difficult. So what is the easy? easy is to find the square root of 100. So we will try to make this as far as possible 100. Okay, and how can I write this as 100? I can write this 100 minus what? 100 minus 5. 100 minus 5 is 95. Multiply by, here I can write 100 minus 4, because 100 minus 4 is 96. Now again, by using what identity? X plus A into X plus B. Just use this identity to avoid any type of minus confusion. Okay, confusion of minus. So you'll get X square plus A plus B into X plus A B. Now do the comparison in place of X. Here X is equal to, in place of X, what is written? In place of X, it is given that it is 100. So X is equal to 100. In place of A, there is minus 5. So A is equal to minus 5. And then in place of B, B is equal to, here it is plus and here it is negative. Okay. So B is equal to minus 4. So B is equal to minus 4. Now just put the value in identity. Very simple. So it will be X. A is minus 5, so I'll write minus 5 into X is 100, sorry, not X is 100. Here it is 100, and so X, in place of X you will put 100 and minus what? B is 4, which is equal to, X was 100, so 100 raised to power 2 plus A was minus 5 and B was minus 4 into X was 100, so write down 100 plus A was minus 5 and B was minus 4. Okay, so it will become what? 10,000, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now minus 4, minus 5, minus 9, minus 9 into 100. It will be minus 900. Okay, plus minus 4, minus 5. Minus minus, minus into minus plus, 5 4s are 20 plus 20. Okay, so you can here also write that it is what? 10,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 10,000. And if you, this is negative, this is positive. That means if you subtract 20 from 900, what you will get? You will get minus what? 880. Simple. Just now minus this, 0 remains 0. Okay, 10 minus 8, that will be 2, and 9 minus 8 will be 1, and here it is 9. So I got 9120. This is the answer. Very simple. Okay, now let us do the next part. And next part was where I have kept the next part. Okay, now let's do the next part. Okay, so next part is what? 104 and 96. Now how you will write this? As, okay, change this into 100 as far as possible. आप उसको 100 में बदलने की कोशिश करिए कि उसको 100 के नज़दीक या 100 में हम इन नंबर्स को कैसे चेंज कर सकते हैं, वो कोशिश आप करिए. ठीक है, तो करिए कोशिश. देन 100 कैसे लिख सकते हो आप इसको? 100 प्लस 4. ठीक है, तो इसको मैं 100 प्लस 4 लिख सकती हूँ, है ना? 104 कैन बी रिटन एज 100 प्लस 4 इंटू, और इसको कैसे लिख सकती हूँ मैं? 100 माइनस व्हाट? 100 माइनस 4. Okay, I can write this 100 plus 4 and this is 100 minus 4. Now just recall the property where the both of these terms were same, but just there is a difference of sign. Recall the property. Sorry, not property but identity. वो identity याद करिए, सर्वमिका याद करिए, जहाँ पे आपको a प्लस इस तरह से दिखता था कि जो पहली टर्म है वो दोनों में सेम हो और जो दूसरी टर्म है वो भी दोनों में सेम हो. तो yes, that was identity what? By using identity what? By using a plus b into a minus b, which was equal to what? A square minus b square. Here just do the comparison. Okay, here if you do the comparison, then here a will be equal to what? In place of a there is 100, so a is equal to 100, and